A huge part of failing gloriously is to share failure stories, professional failure stories, and also the learnings from these stories, and really normalizing failure and using it as a tool to kind of learn from. And this is something that I do in the Fail Gloriously workshop. And I also love to hear real life examples when companies put this into practice. And I just heard one at a conference the other day who this woman was telling me about a leader who offered a bottle of wine to anyone on the team who dared to share a failure story during a meeting. And I loved this incentive. I thought this was really innovative, and it takes away some of the shame of sharing a failure as if it's something wrong, but actually making it worthy of a prize, because this kind of behavior of the sharing and talking about the learnings can really benefit a team and a company. And I'd love to hear about more ways. I work with a lot of companies that have, failure celebrations and celebrate a failure of the month to try and really take away this stigma and shame of failure and turn it into learnings. Are there any other examples out there? How do you do this in your company? Please share in the comments below.